So this video is going to be all around how we provision the new mobile first service. We're going to show you two examples. The first example of which is creating a new user and adding the mobile first during the new order process. The second run through is we're going to do it at the mobile first service to an existing user. So, good Fred Dean. Can you start us off by doing a new user, please?
No problem. So we hit add here, add a new user. And we'll go here.
So as Dean's filling out this section of the page here, so this is your standard new user wizard. So just like you normally would, whether you're adding a base user, smart user, agent flexi user, whatever it might be, you go through adding and entering the details of your user, name, surname, email address if required, a password, and then selecting your primary package.
Yep, which is where we are here. So we've got the primary package selected. And this is the important one, the IQ secondary package, which we'll select here. When you select this, it will make the following appear here. From here, you select whether you would like the user to have an eSIM or a physical SIM. In this instance, we'll choose an eSIM. And select the base bundle and the data they would like. So in this instance, we'll go no data. And now we'll hit add. So that's gone through. And now we can return to the user list. So this user will want to have their new eSIM QR code to set up the eSIM on their mobile. Provide them that. You go into the user, go to their devices, go to the SIM. And then you go to the eSIM tab. This does take some time to come through. We estimate that it's likely to be between 5 and 10 minutes. You're on this tab and you're waiting because you need it ASAP. You can press F5 to refresh. Keep an eye. But it will appear.
Excellent. And once obviously the eSIM QR code information does appear on screen, it's ready to be added to a device. So depending on handset manufacturer, whether it be Apple, Samsung, Google, whatever it might be, you'll need to follow the instructions for those specific devices from those manufacturers around adding eSIM services. And here is how the eSIM page will look once the eSIM has been generated. So you'll see here you have the QR code, which you'll be able to scan with your device. For manual setups, you can copy all the details as you see below. So thank you for running through that, Dean. So that was a new order. That was for a new user. Can you quickly just run us through how we go about adding the mobile first service to an existing user?
Yeah, no problem. So cut back to the site, go to users, pick a different user, XEC demo test, go to the package and services, select the IQ package. Again, pop-up will appear where you can select eSIM or physical SIM. In this case, we'll choose eSIM. choose the base bundle service and the data package you want. In this case, we'll go no data. You hit save. And then scroll down, hit save again. And that's completed. And again, you want to go and grab the QR code to provide to the customer to install on their mobile. eSIM that is. Go to the device here. And then go to the eSIM tab. And it will appear there. 5 or 10 minutes.
And just like when we were creating the new user, here is the one for the existing user. As we saw before, the page is exactly the same. You'll have your QR code there, as well as having your manual setup information. Brilliant. Thank you for taking us through that, Dean. So there we go, everyone. That is how you order the mobile first service, either for an existing or a new user. Thank you very much.
Thank you.